Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video and a view into Huck's World. And yes, this is the watch face of the week. And listen, I know I've been hitting you all hard. If you need for me to slow down with these awesome free watch faces, just let me know. Just let me know. Other than that, let's kick this review off. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. And today, yes, we got another awesome watch face. Somebody said that I was king of the watch faces. I'm kind of feeling that right now, right? And listen, I've been hitting you guys really hard with these awesome looking Gear 3 watch faces, especially yesterday. And we're going to keep it coming. And this one here is no exception. And it's a rarity that you find these kind of watch faces for free in the Gear Manager store. So take advantage of it right after the video. Go download this watch face as soon as you can. It is worth the download. All right. So with that being said, I'm just thinking that we probably should have called this review the best of the best, because this watch face is definitely off the chain. All right. So let's kick the review off right now. The name of the watch face has a bunch of numbers, a bunch of letters. I'm going to throw it right up top. I'm going to also put it in the description box down below so you guys can go locate it and download it. Now, with that being said, in the always on mode, it has the same look. It's just going to be dimmed down, kind of in a black mode. But when watch face is on, here's where the beauty starts to show up. Now, if you look at the watch face, the design is different. It has its own uniqueness. You get the best of both worlds, analog and digital. Now, you have a couple of dials. You have one that's going to give you your digital time. Over to the right at the top, you come down to the left at the bottom, you're going to get your step info. I have been somewhere. I didn't wear my watch today, but the design that I really like that made this different is where you got the days of the week, and then it's lined up just like that and gives you the date. I thought that was such an awesome look. The digital time, the stamp there looks awesome. You got a second hand going around the bezel of the watch, and you have shortcuts. So if you single tap, you can tap into that shortcut, go into the info, extract what you need to get out of it. You also get music, you can get your weather, and you can make a phone call by a single tap. Awesome look, right? Not only that, it is interactive. So if I single tap, I can go into my step status, get the info I need. Same thing for my battery. If I tap on the time, I'm going to be able to go in and set an alarm. If I tap here, of course, I'm going to be able to get my calendar to set an event or whatever I choose to do. So I thought this was definitely one awesome looking watch face, and it offers quite a bit to be free. So if I double tap, I can change the color of the watch face. Look how vibrant this green is. Let's cycle through all of them. This is a solo review. Give you an opportunity to see what you're in for when you download this watch face. The colors are all awesome. Will tie into most things that you're going to be wearing. And if you don't know what to tap on, they give it to you on the screen. This is different. This is definitely different. Double tap, we're going to go through. Now you're going to get 10 colors in all. Just cycle through all of them. Pick the one you like the most and let it land and play it for the day. All right, you all, that's going to be it for this review. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, hit the like button on the way out. And I'm going to ask you one more time, if you really like this video, then after the video, after you download, check out another one of my videos. All right, you all, I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative. And if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to my channel. And again, I will see you all at the next video. Take care.